Hey guys, welcome back to RTR. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your windshield wipers. Alright, so what you're going to want to do here is raise this up a little bit, and then behind the actual bar here, there's a little bar you're going to have to push up and hold, and then take your whole windshield wiper and move it the opposite direction here. So move it towards the vehicle. And then it should pop off just like that. So there's the little bar I was talking about. So this is what you're going to want to push up and hold, and that'll unlock it from the bar and allow you to slide it off. So now in order to reinstall it, you're going to want to do the opposite way. So you're just going to raise this up again, and you're going to take this little hook and wrap it right around here and pull until you hear that clicking noise, and that means it's secure again.